Greetings, everybody. It is a fabulous garden in Hawaii this year. This 2019 is the best I have ever done in planting a vegetable garden here in Hawaii. I am impressed. Everything looks awesome. Right back there you can see how nice the pineapples and the sweet corn is looking. They're just beautiful. Never grown corn or vegetables of any sort in that area back there. So they're looking awful nice for the first time around. Tomatoes are generally not something that grows very well in the open air around here. Rainfall oftentimes causes diseases that make the vines die back. But we've only got about half of the rainfall we normally get this year, and I have some of the most beautiful looking tomatoes. Check these beauties out right here. These are some of the large fruited types from the University of Hawaii. I believe it was N67. We also have some really nice grape tomatoes and some cherry tomatoes from Johnny's. Experimental pineapples are doing very well. I'm not sure what the name of this cultivar is. It was just given to me without a name on it, but it is big and it's fairly early, I think. We'll see. But she's a nice big fruit. I got a whole row of them right here. I was so pleased with my tomatoes the other day. I was showing them to friend Joe Hewitt, and Joe says, "Boy, Bill, you're getting cocky. Have you put up any fruit fly traps?" I said, "Well, no, I haven't. You know, I was thinking maybe everything could work out this year, but I'll tell you, I took Joe's advice and I hung a trap over here the other day next to the tomatoes, and that thing is full already. So, looks like it was a good idea." And broccoli and cabbage are thriving, looking really good over here. Newly planted sweet onions looking fine. I may even be having success with garlic. We'll see. The plants are big, beautiful, green, and healthy. Now it's just a question as to whether they're going to bulb up or not. I got the yacon in the ground. We got peppers going on over here. A little further over there, I got some Japanese eggplants. Good amount of Chinese cabbage. Well, this stuff hasn't taken off much yet, but we have some new sweet corn, Roselle, and some purple sweet potatoes. Kale and tomatoes, pickles and peppers, all looking real fine too. Even the taro is looking really good. And I still have some of those beautiful sweet onions left out here that I haven't pulled out of the ground yet. And I'm just hoping on the next crop of them is going to come out as nice as the last one. There you have it. A real quick walk around through the vegetable garden. I ain't ever seen anything like it this year. It's just extraordinary. The Godzilla squashes ranging all over. I got beautiful chili peppers. The cabbages are heading up. It just all looks so good this year. Must be doing something right. Aloha.